Today I'm going to show you how to make biscottis. We'll start out by using Caravan's yogurt cake base. We're going to add whole eggs, and we're going to make actually a fairly stiff batter, mixing it up for 1 minute on low speed and 2 minutes on medium speed, which is third speed on a 4-speed mixer. I've taken the liberty of pre-mixing, adding chocolate chips and pecan pieces, and here I'm adding some almond extract and whole almonds. I've scaled the pieces out at 1 pound 2 ounces, and I'm going to show you how to roll them out. And now we're going to egg wash them, and we're going to place them in the oven, a real oven or a rack oven. The real oven will be 330 degrees, and it'll bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, let the product cool, and now you're going to take the biscottis and you're going to slice them in vertical pieces, giving it a slight angle to the biscottis, making them approximately 3/8 to 1/2 inches in width. And you're going to take them and lay them out on a sheet pan. We're going to take these biscottis, and we're going to bake these at 275 degrees to 300 degrees in a real oven, and they'll bake until the product is very firm and dry. After baking, let the biscottis cool and then dry overnight. This will ensure a very crisp biscotti. Here you have them: almond biscottis, chocolate chunk pecan biscottis.